7 days ago, I started a brand new Shorts channel from scratch with the goal of monetizing it as soon as possible. I wanted it to be completely faceless, so I don't have to shoot any footage of my own and still see the same results. This video is what I did for the first 7 days, so you can follow the exact step-by-step process and create a monetizable YouTube Shorts channel of your own. On day 1, I started to research a topic or the niche for the Shorts. This step is crucial because the more specific your niche is, the less competition you will have. The niche I am going to choose is travel. Why? Because people love to explore the new places on the earth. So these shorts get millions of views. The videos in this niche only require high-quality stock footage of the destinations, and the shorts are very easy to create. In fact, there are several channels that I found that were doing exactly this, and they are getting millions of views. I will create shorts like these, but I need to do more research. I don't want to waste time by posting the short nobody wants to watch. I will open YouTube and type best destination shorts in the search bar. Shorts that appear here are usually performing the best, so you can get inspiration from those. Alright, I will also type best places to visit shorts. I am typing shorts in the end because I want shorts to appear at the top when I press enter on the keyboard. These shorts are getting millions of views, which is a good sign. Now, I need to create the first short. Luckily, I won't have to waste time on writing the script, recording the voiceover, or editing the video. I will use an AI tool called InVideo AI to create this, as it will do all of this for me and build out an entire publish-ready video with just a simple text prompt. I am sure you have used some AI tools at least once, and you probably know that the better prompt you give to the AI, the better outcome you will get. Same with the InVideo AI. I will type, create a 30 seconds YouTube shorts about best places to visit before winter ends. American male voiceover. InVideo AI will now do its job. Then it will ask you which type of audience you want your shorts to be perfect to, how you want it to look and feel, and of course the platform, which is in this case YouTube Shorts. In few minutes, created the whole short. Let's take a look at it.
Caught in winter's embrace? Fear not, adventure awaits. Traverse the snow-blanketed slopes of Aspen, Colorado for some heart-pounding skiing action, or swap skies for skates in New York City's iconic Central Park. Not a fan of the cold? Escape to sunny California's Death Valley, surprisingly alive with vibrant winter blooms. Last but not least, the Northern Lights in Alaska, a celestial spectacle that'll leave you breathless. Winter's end is near, so seize the day.
But I think that American male voiceover doesn't fit the travel niche, so I will type change the voiceover to American female. Let's see what it looks like now.
Caught in winter's embrace? Fear not, adventure awaits. Traverse the snow-blanketed slopes of Aspen, Colorado.
Much better. Now I will tell it to simplify the words used in the script because we want the short to appear to the broader audience, meaning there don't need to be language barrier.
Stuck in the cold of winter? Don't worry, fun is just around the corner. Slide down the snowy hills of Aspen, Colorado for some exciting skiing fun, or change skis for ice skates in New York City's famous Central Park. Don't like the cold? Run away to sunny California's Death Valley. It's full of bright flowers in winter. The last place to see is the Northern Lights in Alaska, a sky show that'll make you gasp. Winter's almost over, so go out and enjoy the day.
If you click on the edit, this window will pop up. You can change the stock media used in the video, or you can change the script if you want to rewrite something. I want to change the outro of the short, so I will finish it with the question that can get viewers to comment on the short. Now, InVideo AI will change everything, and let's see how it looks now.
Would you visit these places one day?
Awesome. Click on export to export the video. You will have a watermark with the free plan, so I got the $20 paid plan, and I suggest you do so too if you are serious about using my strategy. Alright, I will upload the short now and I can hop on the next one. I uploaded the short, and with the same process, I created next one. But the results were bad, and I found the solution. First short got 41 views, second one got 50 views, and third one 160. Better, right? Well, I realized that the video ideas are bad and that I need to change them. I had great idea. I can create the same type of the shorts, but I can just change the hook and the outro to make it appear in a different way. I will type, create a 30 seconds YouTube short about the best destinations in the world. American male voiceover, and explain each destination in the one sentence. InVideo AI created the short in the few minutes, but this time I refined the script a little bit to fit better to my solution for this.
An adventure awaits in the vibrant city of Tokyo, where tradition meets technology.
Oh yes, I have to change the voiceover to the American female.
An adventure awaits in the vibrant city of Tokyo, where tradition meets technology.
The solution is to challenge the viewers to watch till the end. For example, I would ask the question they would want to have an answer at the end of the short. In the script, I changed the hook and I wrote, "If you could travel to any of these places for free, where would you go?" It creates the curiosity, and now with the same concept of the short, best destinations, we have the good entertaining short that would make people curious. I changed the script a bit just so it connects better. And on the end, I wrote, "Is it possible to choose only one?" question for the outro. Now I went to edit page and I want to change the stock videos just so they fit better to the short. You can search for anything you want and the AI will get the videos from the premium stock websites. The best part? You get the license for those premium stock videos at the export if you have paid plan. I will export the video. Another thing I will add is popular background music. I will do that in the Canva. You just drag and cut the music you want, adjust the volume, and export. I will now post the short. As expected, results were much better. The short has 2K views and people did comment, as I expected. So we come to the conclusion that the short idea and package is the most important thing you should focus on. I posted few more shorts and finished the week with 3K plus views. It would have been much more if I applied the same strategy from the short one, but it is important to learn from mistakes. I will share my 30 results for this channel here, so make sure you subscribe, because this is just the first video in a series of videos I will be making on this experiment. And make sure you check out this video next where we build an entire Faceless YT channel only using AI.